Right now it's 8:47. Good morning, how are you? Good. It's 8:47 right now, and yeah, as you can see, I'm in a warehouse. I'm waiting to pick my order, my packages, so we can start going, you guys. Hope today is going to be a great day like yesterday, and I am ready to work. Yeah, I'm ready to work. So before I got here, I did some Lyft, and so far I made $28 on it. Yeah, I made $28 on Lyft. So good morning. So far I only have these bags to deliver. Okay, you guys, let's go deliver. It's 9 o'clock, and I just saw you guys, I only have one box right now for this route from 9 to 12 p.m. I only have one box. The rest of it, I'm gonna be going to store to ask if they have something for me to take, some packages for me to go deliver either to another store or back at the warehouse. So let's go deliver. It's 9:19 right now, and I just got to my first drop off, and the app tell me I cannot arrive before 9:22, so I can't do nothing until 9:22. So that's why I told you guys everything is time. Like everything is time. So I want to tell you guys something about, what was it? I forgot. Whenever I remember, I'm gonna tell you guys. I forgot. So on this stop, I don't have nothing to deliver. I don't have no delivery over here, but I'm gonna go in there and see if they have something for me to deliver. I just went in, you guys, and they don't have nothing. They don't have nothing. It's starting to get so hot, so I'm gonna take this off. So on my next delivery, this manifest over here, it shows me everything, you guys. Like, it tells me where I'm gonna drop my package. It tells me where I'm gonna drop this one. So I'm gonna drop it at my next drop off, and all my other ones, I don't have nothing to deliver. But I'm gonna go there and see if they have something for me. And altogether it's 6 stores. So I'm gonna be going to 6 stores the whole entire day. 6 stores plus going back to so every 6 drop, I have to go back to the hub, to the warehouse. Every 6 drop, I have to go back to the warehouse. The reason why we go back to the warehouse is to get some more packages, to see if I have on my route, to see if I have more packages to deliver on my route. Yep. So every 2 hours and a half, we keep going back to the warehouse. That's how the system works. Okay, you guys, I am here. My next drop off, my second drop off. We are here. Alright, guys, and I'm supposed to be here 10:49, and it's 10:49. So let me go in. Good morning. Good. How are you? Good morning. Good. Good morning.
How's it going?
Good. Right. So you guys, this store had these 2 for me to take. So let's go to our next drop off. Let me take back this one. Hey guys, our third stop. Let's see if they have anything for us. Good morning. That's mine. They don't have anything. If they had something, it will be over here. That's what they say. So next time when I come, I'm just gonna come in here and look over here on my third drop off. So yeah. So let's go back to our car and go drop off on our first drop off. Time is moving so fast, you guys. Time is really moving so fast. This is for me, right?
It is.
Okay. Okay, from my stop for my fourth stop, you guys, they had this for me. So let's go to our fifth one. So all these, hold on, you guys. So all these small packages that we'll be picking up from stores, you guys, like not only these packages, all the packages, they have a store number. So like for example, this package, this little package that I just picked up from my fourth stop, I'm going to deliver it on my next stop, just because I looked at the store number that they have on the box. It's the store number for my next drop off. So that makes me know that, oh, I have to deliver this package to my next drop off. So that's how you guys do. So you have to check what you're picking up, see where you're going. If those things that you're picking up, you're gonna deliver on some of your stops, or you're gonna deliver back at the warehouse, you know. Okay, you guys, I'm at my fifth drop off and I'm about to pick up the box that we took from my other drop off, and let's go drop it off. You guys, I'm back from the store. I delivered my parts and they didn't have nothing for me, so let's go to our sixth drop off. And on my sixth drop off, I have two parts to deliver that I took from my second, I think it was my second drop off. I took some parts from that store, so now I'm going to deliver them at my sixth drop off. So let's go. You guys, this is my sixth drop off, so I'm about to drop it off and I'm about to put it over there. Okay, you guys, right now it's what time is it? 11:09, you guys. 11:09, and I didn't take nothing from that store. I delivered those parts, but I did not take nothing from there. So right now I'm on my way going back to the warehouse, and yeah, and it's gonna take me 19 minutes to get to the warehouse. So let's go to the warehouse and grab some more orders, see how many they have for us next. Time is running so fast, y'all. Time is really running fast. It's 11:40 right now, y'all. 11:40, and I'm back at the warehouse. I'm waiting to load my thing. This time we have stuff, y'all. I have packages, small, but they're small packages. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you once I get in the car, because I don't want them to see me vlogging in here. You know, maybe for safety reason. But this time we're gonna be dropping stuff out of stores. Whew, you guys, I was rushing. Okay, so right now I just left the warehouse. It's 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12 o'clock you gotta go, you know. So it's 12 o'clock. I haven't shown you how, like, all my packages, but once I get to my first drop off, I'm gonna show you how many things that I have, y'all. I'm gonna show you. And this light, where is my, so I bought this morning, you guys. I went to Walmart and bought this, and I started eating. I'm like, you know what, let me move it away from me, and I had to put it like on the back seat so I don't be reaching for it, you know, because I was planning to eat this for lunch, and from 12 to up, That's when I was planning to start eating this, but yo, it's halfway. So I had to move it away from out of my reach. So now it's time to eat it. Yeah, this is what I'm delivering, everything, those and those. And I'm already at my first drop off, and I'm dropping up these 2 items. Here you guys, my next drop off. I'm dropping this one and this one here, and let's go see if they have something for us. So this was my second store, my second drop off, and they don't have nothing for me, and I dropped mine. So let's go to my supposed to leave here at 12:53, and right now it's 1:46. So you can't go nowhere until it gets to 1:53. Like whenever you finish your things early, you cannot go, you know. The GPS is not gonna let you click on it until it's time. So I'm about to be here for this 6 more minutes. Yeah. My next drop off, and I only need to drop off this thing here. Hello, how are you? Good. Right, I'm out of that store, and they have this for me. This is what they have for me. So, and it's gonna go at the warehouse because this is a store number, and I don't have that store number on my route. All these different parts, I'm delivering to the one store. So let's go in. Alright, you guys, I am back at the warehouse. Right now it's 2:26. But back at the warehouse, I'm about to go if they have more stuff for me to take. And I am taking back the parts that I took from different stores. I have 2 parts that I need to take it back in. And yeah, and the next I'm gonna be here until 2:45. That's the time that we're gonna start going. Yeah, that's about it. Last one, this is what I have, you guys. This and this one. And this one and that one. It's 4:52 right now, back at the warehouse. The shift is over, so I'm getting my stuff together so I can take it inside. The part that I brought from stores. Let me use this one. Ooh, that one is heavy. Let me go bring a cart so I can put it on because it's too heavy. Thank you. You guys, I'm going to share with you how much they pay me for USPack. I know I'm sorry for the last video, you guys. I promised it, but I didn't deliver. So, and I know a lot of you had some questions. Why she didn't share? Okay, let me tell you. It's $1.95, you guys. $1.95. That's how much USPack pay me on Thursday and Friday. And Saturday, I'm gonna tell you in my Saturday video. I'm gonna tell you in the vlog that I'm gonna be doing on Saturday. You guys, I'm cold. I am cold. I'm cold. Right now it's 7. So after I left the warehouse, you guys, I went ahead and do Lyft and Uber ride share, plus some Uber Eats because they mix it up. So right now it's 7. It's time to go home. By the way, today is Friday. That's why I stayed a little bit longer, like one more hour extra, 1.5. So I'm coming here to end my vlog. Thank you guys so much, and let me tell you guys about USPack. go ahead and apply it on Indeed. Don't even put USPack because there is so many auto part delivery. Just go on Indeed and type in auto part delivery. You know, USPack may come up, other companies may come up, but they're all in one category of delivering parts. They are so good, you guys. They pay good. You know every day what you're waking up to. You know what you're gonna make every single day. So that's the most thing I love about it. Please, if you do this gig full time, if you do gigs part time, go ahead and do that, because they have part time too. They have part timer, they have full timer. So go ahead and apply this job on Indeed. Just write auto part delivery jobs in your area. I think it's gonna come up. Yeah, and guess how much we made, you guys? My USPack plus my ride share things, I was able to make $270, you guys. $270. So glad, super good. I'm so happy about this contract, you guys. I'm telling you, like I'm serious. I am very, very, very happy. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys for watching, and please share my video, like my video, comment, ask any question, and thank you so much. I am going home tomorrow. I have work tomorrow. Is Saturday. Today is, let me not say was, because the day is, you haven't ended yet. Today is Friday, so tomorrow is Saturday. I have to work, and tomorrow I have to work. My schedule for tomorrow, it's short hours. I'm only working for 5 hours tomorrow. 5 hours. So yeah, from 9 to 2. All right, bye guys. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.